right? Because you will find him always smiling, okay? And in the class, he was the most doubtful student. Always had doubts and always clarified things, because it happens when you have gone to SSB so many times, and this was because he had gone 5 times, and being a army brat, I think taken some coachings also earlier, so then one feels कि क्या मैं गलत कर रहा हूँ, मेरे में क्या कमी है. So obviously he had a lot of doubts, and at times we answered, at times we got irritated also. So he got a lot of bullshit also from us for asking unnecessary doubts. But I think it was not bad. If he had real doubts in his mind, he clarified during the match. Okay, so let's welcome Divtej Singh, and he is cleared for OTA CDS from 11 SSB of Allahabad on 26th April, and clear with his medical everything. So he's come with sweets of success to distribute. Firstly, we will present to him the AMAS tie and the cup, and then we will interestingly listen to his review of his SSB. How did he tackle, and what were the any anecdotes and all which you had, right? So today we have time. We have about 10-15 minutes because your bus is not going to come before 5:30, right? So we will utilize this time. First, accept this tie. One more linkage he has, which I had actually forgotten, is that I am from the Maha Regiment, and his father is also from the Maha Regiment, so that gives me more attachment to this campaign. Okay, so over to you, Divtej, for sharing your preparation first here. So that is more important for them. How did you handle the time here? How did you prepare? And if there was a gap between the training and the SSB, what did you do in that gap? I know you are practicing law, right?
Yes, sir.
But still, how did you take out time to study? And after that, how was the SSB experience? So take us over your complete journey.
So, hi everybody. I know it's in the later hours of the day, so just bear with me for a while. When I had come to AMAS, initially I was actually a day late because I had a case in the National Consumer Forum. I did that and I came, and उस टाइम पे भी मैंने सर से आते ही पहले दिन ही मैंने बहुत डांट खा ली थी कि तू तो भाई सीरियस ही नहीं है, तेरा तो मुश्किल ही लग रहा है. And that initially put me in doubt, but after that, one after the other, things kept hitting me like a wrecking ball. के उसके बाद curriculum देखा, it was very rigorous. I still remember we used to wake up at around 6 because 8 बजे तो पहुंचना ही है, and सोते ही हम लोग थे around 4 बजे. So it was quite rigorous, but trust me, it is all going to pay off because everything that you do here, data rally हो गई, your TAT pictures and your TAT पूरा pad जो आप बना रहे हो, that lecture aid pad that you're making, it's all going to pay off. In fact, the data that I collected here in AMAS and all the other candidates, in fact I met so many more candidates in my SSB, some were there for PCSL, some were there for SEO commission, most of them were there also for CDS entry. सबकी डेटा डायरीज हम लोगों ने क्या किया, हम लोग शाम को बैठते थे एंड हम लोग डिस्कस करते थे, तेरे पास ये डेटा है, मेरे पास ये डेटा है, एंड वी यूज्ड टू ऑल sit together and see किसके पास क्या डेटा है, and actually that helped me a lot in my GD also. At AMAS, the only one thing I would like to tell you is do everything that is being told to you, do it with your entire heart. एक बार भी मेरे को, क्योंकि I was a person who used to have doubts every day, not just on what we were doing but also in class a lot, and I remember tell my course-mates also a lot कि यार ये जो कर रहे हैं इसका कोई relevance है नहीं है. It has relevance, trust me on that. जहाँ तक बात है TAT की, that is because I had maximum doubts in psychology. Psychology was one place because everything else I was able to gauge कि ठीक है मेरा PGT में performance ऐसा रहा है, I was able to do well. Interview में I know the answers I have given, if they are satisfactory or not. But psychology is one place where I, as a candidate, could not have gauged myself. I wrote stories that came to me, but I could not gauge myself. I can vouch for it that the psychology that is taught at AMAS is going to take you through. It's like if SSB is 3 parts, 1/3 of your test is already over if you do psychology well here. Coming to the interview, all the CIQs that are shared with you, they are going to be asked exactly. If you have a bad day, maybe there might be some variations because interview is one place where the interviewing officer can wiggle around. But even then, the basics of the questions that he'll ask will be from the same CIQs, and subsequently CIQ के ऊपर जो probing questions I think sir has given yet or he will give, उसी के ऊपर कुछ ना कुछ based होगा. So if you prepare that also well, there's nothing that can hold you back even in the interview. Coming to GTO, sir is the master of GTO of course. GD से लेके final group task तक, everything that you have prepared here for is going to come in handy. I'll talk about lecture 8. Lecture 8, I had a diary that I had maintained for around 45-50 topics by the time I reached SSB. In fact, I was adding topics into the diary while I was in SSB also. किसी और कैंडिडेट से ले लिए, वहाँ पूछ लिया किसी से कि आज तुम्हारा लेक्चर रेट था, क्या आ रहा है. And by the end of it all, I think around 65-70 topics मेरे हो गए थे, and I used to keep revising them. So one day prior to the task, for example, if we had psychology the next day, I used to sit every day and read कि मैंने लिखा क्या था. It's very important to keep going through all of that because you're practicing around 500 odd words for W18. So you need to at least remember what you've written, because in that moment 15 seconds, trust me, is not enough for that to click to you and you write it down. That's why it's very important to keep on revising. Similarly, even for lecture 8, you need to keep on revising it. Similarly for all other tasks at SSB as well. As far as doubts and clearing doubts is concerned, sir, I do remember you got a bit irritated at times there, but it's all good, sir. And in fact, 11 SSB is also one. There's a very special connection with 11 SSB also of mine because this is the same board that my father was recommended from. And when I had gone there, बिल्कुल कफन मार के गया था मैं because मेरा ये last attempt था CDS OTA का. And I had in fact, पता नहीं क्यों मेरे दिमाग में ये आया, मैंने इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर को जाते ही बोल दिया, सर दिस इज माय लेगेसी बोर्ड, नाउ इट्स ऑन यू इफ यू वांट टू टेक मी और नॉट. एंड कमिंग टू माय एसएसबी का बाकी व्हाटएवर हैपेंड, GD stage 1 was good. I had around 2 more candidates who were previously recommended in my group, and उसमें से मेरे ही ग्रुप में से there were around 4 people who were taken, and in all there were only 35 people who had cleared the stage 1. OIR was very good. OIR जो भी यहाँ पे करवाया था, it was all in that similar lines only. The dice questions and everything else also, it was very good. Coming to my PP and DT, same जो भी TAT में करवा रहे हैं, just remember those concepts कि आपको environment अच्छा रखना है अपना उसका. You don't need to go Nike. In fact, when I was sitting there in PPDT, जैसी stories लोगों ने बोलनी start करती मेरे दिमाग में चलने लग गया, ये Nike तो हो ही नहीं सकता. मतलब उसमें से considering my group was around 15 people, I'd say estimated 12 people were making horrible stories. So apart from that, once you understand कि भाई ये सारी stories खराब हैं, you home in on the stories that were actually good and keep putting points in that. It might be yours, might not be yours. If it's yours, good, fight for it once. Accept हो गई, very good. नहीं हुई, जिसकी next बढ़िया थी उस पे जाओ, उसके ऊपर then you ponder upon that and keep adding points to that. Stage 2 में जैसी आए, psych, as I already said, it was all taken care of. Nothing that you need to worry about if you've done psychology well here in AMAS. And trust me, I was actually planning, when I was here in AMAS, I was planning to leave a day early because मेरे को लग रहा था last के days हैं क्या है. Every single second is important. Stick on till the very last second because जो last में sir tips बताते हैं, जो last में sir pictures share करते हैं, those are the most important pictures that you're going to ever see in your life. Trust me on that. Out of 11 pictures that come for the psychology test, 10 were from here. So comfortable, very comfortable. In fact, I saw the picture and I started writing the story. मेरे को 30 सेकंड ही नहीं चाहिए थे जो वहाँ पे देते हैं वो लोग. 1 सेकंड देखा, लिखना स्टार्ट कर दिया. मेरे पीछे साइकोलॉजिस्ट खड़ा था, वो कंफ्यूज हो रहा है कि बच्चा कर क्या रहा है. मेरे एंड साथ साथ में सर टिप्स भी देते रहते हैं, जैसे संदीप सर ने आई गेस बताया होगा कि अगर तुम वर्ड्स WAT लिख रहे हो, वर्ड मिस हो जाए तो साइड पे लिख लो। वो मैं साइड पे भी नहीं लिख पा रहा क्योंकि मेरे पीछे साइकोलॉजिस्ट खड़ा है, मैं क्या ही लिखूं। So it was a very fun exercise. Unlike the other times when psychology has been the most difficult exercise for me at least, जिसमें ऐसा लगता है यार पूरा दिमाग खराब हो गया वापस आके, this time it was, I knew कि psychology इतना बढ़िया गया है मेरा कि इसमें तो कोई मेरे को प्रॉब्लम होने नहीं वाली। Same day, within the next 2 hours, I had my interview also. So when I had gone from AMAS, the one goal that I had was to prepare all of my CIQ probing, PIQ, everything before I went for the SSB, and that all came very handy. जो मैं AMAS में रजिस्टर बनाया था अपना, जिसमें मैंने पूरा लिखा था अपने इंटरव्यू से रिलेटेड चीज़ें, वो मैं रिवाइज करता रहा। जो भी मैंने CIQ के आंसर्स लिखे थे वो मैं रिवाइज करता रहा। साथ साथ जो करंट अफेयर्स यहाँ पे पढ़ाते हैं, जो अफसाना मैम पढ़ाते हैं, दोज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. In fact, I cannot stress enough how important those current affairs are, because they are genuinely not much. 5-6 हैं दिन में वो पढ़ने, उसके ऊपर ही रिसर्च करनी है कि भाई, फॉर एग्जांपल ड्यूरिंग माय टाइम व्हेन आई वाज हियर, देयर वाज अ न्यूज़ दैट द चीफ ऑफ बोइंग हैड सेड समथिंग अबाउट इंडियन पायलट्स. सो हु इज द चीफ ऑफ बोइंग? व्हाई हैज ही सेड दिस? इट्स ओनली ऑल ऑफ दैट, एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज दिस helped me personally, not just in my GD but also in my interview. In the interview, the interviewing officer asked me, like in a general question, tell me 5 national and 5 international events, and I was able to tell him exactly what the events were with confidence, and that confidence only came because I had prepared for it. उसमें भी उसने start कर दी probing. He asked me, he had asked me about national events, so I told him that there was, at that time, there was a new gas pipeline that had been launched between India and Bangladesh. So he started asking me questions on that. कहाँ हुई है, क्यों हुई है, what are the implications of that in India and everything. Apart from that, moving on to my GTO, because that was the most eventful part of the entire SSB. All of this happens, but this is more theoretical. GTO में GD amazing. GD was very good. Again, based on most of the data that I had collected here. There was a statistic that sir had posted on the group on WhatsApp when I had left AMAS about the emerging economies, and India is supposed to become a 5 trillion economy, and India's plan towards it. That one statistic I used at least thrice in my GD. India 5 trillion economy, India 5 trillion economy, sir we will beat this, sir we will beat that, ऐसे करके 3-4 जगह चिपका दिया. जैसे सर बोलते हैं गतिविधि बस डालते रहो, बस बोलते रहो, और एक बार आपको लग रहा है हाँ भाई सुन लिया सबने, फिर चुप हो जाओ. Then thereafter GD1 was also amazing, GD2 was also good. GPE was also very good. मेरा थोड़ा सा GPE में मेरे को ऐसा लगा confidence ऊपर नीचे हो गया था, because when I had started writing, written my solution and I heard the other people discussing, I was like यार मैंने तो पूरा ही उल्टा लिख दिया, मैं तो गाड़ी कहीं और ले गया उसकी. But then everything else worked out. We were all able to come to a consensus, and even my group was in agreement to the solution that I had written, which was actually completely different from everybody else, but it made sense. So everybody agreed to it also. Coming on to the ground activities, PGT and everything. PGT was good. हमारे group का we were able to reach till the end of the 4th one. We didn't complete the 4th one, time खत्म हो गया था, but we were able to do it very smoothly. Now in that what happened is, everybody started struggling कि भाई फट्टा कैसे उठाना है. In such a stupid reason everybody was struggling कि फट्टा स्ट्रक्चर पे रखा हुआ उठ नहीं रहा उनसे. अब उस पे कम से कम 10 मिनट लोगों ने दिमाग मारा है. फिर फाइनली द GTO said anybody has any ideas, so I stepped in. I walked in. मेरे को वो ट्रेनिंग याद आ गई यहाँ की कि सर ने बोला था if the GTO says if you have any ideas you walk in, and I walked in. Apart from that, ये अंदर या बंदर वाला सर ट्रस्ट मी वो ब्रह्मास्त्र है GTO का, क्योंकि अगर तुम बाहर रह गए you will not even understand what's happening inside. You cannot even see the structures. अब एक ऐसे there's a pole के पीछे कोई protrusion है, तुमको तो दिख ही नहीं रहा है. How will you make a effort out of it? So it's very important to be at least in the first 2 people who enter the GTO ground. And in case you don't enter on time, the moment the GTO says anybody who has ideas can enter, you enter. And you tackle the entire obstacle well. उसमें हमारा ग्रुप इतना मतलब क्या ही बोलूँ मैं, था थोड़ा, जैसे ही मैंने फट्टा उठाया वहाँ से तालियां मारने लगे बाहर से क्योंकि 10 मिनट में फट्टा उठ गया. Anyways, moving on, the next most eventful part of my GTO was my individual obstacles. Everything was going well, apart from the balancing beam. वो balancing beam टूट ही गई. When I stepped onto the balancing beam, that entire structure broke and it injured me very badly. So badly, in fact, that during the command task, जब वो छोटी सी introduction type होती है with the GTO sorry बोलने लग गया, that we are very sorry that the structure broke, that was our fault. And I cashed in on that also. Sir, it's okay, having seen the arrangement so far, this is just a very small hiccup. And वहाँ पे भी मैंने डाल दिया sir that this is my last attempt and my father is in the army and everything I put there also. So that also I guess worked in my favor. Overall, the experience was very good. In my conference, I had a wait time of around 5 minutes. So that is what gave me hope also. मैं अगर एकदम ही हाँ डिस्कस हो रहा है कुछ ना कुछ तो चल रहा है दिमाग इनका and that was the conclusion of my SSP and it was really good. Trust me, whatever is happening here, do it well. दिमाग में ज़रूर आएगा कि यार बहुत rigorous है, बहुत ज़्यादा effort लग रहा है. It's okay. It's all worth it at the end of the day. It's because I slept for such little hours that I was actually able to achieve my dream. So please do it well.